Who invented electricity? The incredible story behind humanity's greatest discovery. Take a moment and imagine your life without electricity. No smartphones, no internet, no television, no lights, no refrigerators. As soon as the sun disappeared, the world would be swallowed by darkness. But here's the biggest surprise of all. Electricity was never actually invented. It has existed since the birth of our planet. What humans really did was unlock one of nature's greatest secrets, and that discovery changed civilization forever. Let's travel back in time to uncover the shocking history of electricity. Thousands of years ago, people feared lightning. Massive bolts crashing across the sky were believed to be the weapons of angry gods or supernatural spirits. No one knew they were witnessing one of the most powerful forms of electricity found in nature. Around 600 BC, the Greek philosopher Thales of Miletus noticed something unusual. After rubbing a piece of amber with animal fur, it began attracting tiny feathers and bits of straw. Without realizing it, he had discovered static electricity, the first recorded observation of electrical energy. For nearly 2,000 years, that mysterious force remained largely unexplained. Then, in 1600, English scientist William Gilbert carefully studied these strange electrical effects. He introduced the Latin word electricus, meaning like amber, from which the modern word electricity was born. Gilbert also proved that electricity and magnetism were related, but different natural forces, laying the foundation for electrical science. More than a century later came one of history's most famous experiments. In 1752, Benjamin Franklin flew a kite during a thunderstorm. A metal key tied to the string collected electrical charge from the storm clouds, proving that lightning and electricity were the same phenomenon. Contrary to popular belief, Franklin did not invent electricity. He simply helped explain one of nature's greatest mysteries. The next breakthrough came in 1800, when Italian scientist Alessandro Volta built the world's first practical electric battery, known as the voltaic pile. For the first time in history, humans could produce a continuous flow of electricity whenever they wanted. That's why the unit of electrical voltage is called the volt in his honor. Then, in 1831, British scientist Michael Faraday made one of the most important discoveries in history. He found that moving a magnet through a coil of wire could generate electricity. This principle, known as electromagnetic induction, is still used today in nearly every power station on Earth, from hydroelectric dams and wind turbines to coal, gas, and nuclear power plants. As electricity became easier to generate, inventors raced to bring it into everyday life. In the late 1800s, Thomas Edison developed a practical incandescent light bulb and built one of the first electrical power distribution systems, allowing homes and businesses to be lit by electricity. Meanwhile, Nikola Tesla revolutionized the world with his alternating current, AC system. Unlike earlier systems, Tesla's technology could carry electricity over long distances, making it possible to power entire cities. Today, AC electricity remains the standard for electrical grids around the world. By the early 20th century, electricity had transformed human life. Streets glowed with electric lights, factories became more efficient, homes gained refrigerators, radios, and appliances. Later came televisions, computers, mobile phones, and the internet. Today, nearly every part of modern civilization depends on electricity. Hospitals, transportation, communication, and even space exploration would be impossible without it. So, who invented electricity? The answer is no one. Electricity has always existed in nature. It was discovered, explored, and mastered over thousands of years by brilliant thinkers, including Thales of Miletus, William Gilbert, Benjamin Franklin, Alessandro Volta, Michael Faraday, Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, and many others. Their discoveries transformed an invisible force of nature into the energy that powers our modern world. What do you think is the greatest invention made possible by electricity? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love uncovering the true stories behind history's greatest discoveries, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating journeys through time.